Beetroot and pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and nutrients packed. They are both rich in vitamin C as well. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. So thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am going to share with us a very simple recipe using only 2 ingredients. So my first ingredient on this recipe is beetroot. All you have to do is make sure they are well cleansed. Some people peel it off, but I am not doing this because this has been already cleansed. I have done a lot of work on this. I normally do not peel my beetroots, which some people may think it's not cool, but when you take care of the back well, when you wash and cleanse it well, all right, with salt or any other thing, you are good to go. So then you want to know that beetroot is a colorful vegetable. Of course, we are looking at it, right? Which helps us to protect our hearts. It helps protect the heart against diseases, helps purify the blood due to the rich iron content, and this helps cure anemia. All right, so guys, in this video, I am just showing us a simple way of opening your pomegranates, which is not going to be stressful because I've gotten a lot of questions on how to open this, right? So I'm going to show us about 2 simple methods of doing this. So of course, this is our second ingredient, all right, and that's all the ingredients I'm going to use on this recipe, just 2 ingredients. So you want to know that beetroot also helps prevent certain cancers, just like pomegranate as well. And pomegranate has anti-inflammatory properties also, which helps with inflammation. It also helps boost digestion. It helps reduces insulin resistance as well. And you want to know that it also helps with arthritis. It helps lower blood pressure and protects the heart from cardiovascular diseases, it also helps protect cardiovascular health, all right, in simple terms. So this is the second method that I'm going to show you, just to cut it into 2, all right, and then just hit the back, and with anything that is okay for you to bring the seed. This is so simple. So you also want to know that drinking pomegranates beet juice may help lower systolic blood pressure, and also drinking pomegranates often improves memory. All right, so with someone who always find it difficult to learn or something like that, I recommend this juice for you. And it also helps boost sexual performance and improves fertility. So with someone suffering from oxidative stress, this may lead to sperm dysfunction in men and also infertility in women. So drinking this juice often will help you boost and increase fertility, and also boost your sexual performance. All right, okay, so it also helps you reduce diabetes. So there are more information on this video, and you want to know this is a powerful juice that you don't want to miss. You can do this once in a while. If you can do this often, you want to try this at home, and you want to bring your feedback, because this really works, and you want to add it to your list of juices, okay, and you are not going to regret it. I believe in healing with fruits and vegetables, okay. So yeah, like as you can see, this is the third method of opening your pomegranates, and it's so easy. It's very simple. You don't have to stress. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you. If you are new on my channel, thank you and you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on notification. All right, so anytime I upload a new video, YouTube is definitely going to notify you that there is a new video over here. So then, to my returning subscribers, guys, I love you a bunch. Okay, I love you to the brim. I thank you for always coming by. Thank you for supporting. Don't forget to share this with your friends, loved ones, and all. If you have any comments, you can leave it for me in the comment section. All right, so you can check any of my videos. You are free to do that. Okay, there are a lot of information you want to get from my other juicing videos, and it's going to be very helpful to you. All right, so like I said, I'll be glad to have you as a new family on YouTube. So if you are not part already, just click on that subscribe button. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. I love you all. Stay cool, stay safe, get enough rest, and stay hydrated. So it's bye.